In today's sewing DIY, I'm going to show you how I update this t-shirt dress that I have been worn for years, but I have been saving it for this perfect transformation. First, I am going to take it in from the sides. Then I reshape the neckline. I also going to do an off-the-shoulder detail. Then I cut along the style line. I am going to stitch along on the sides just to give this dress some more shaping and more fitted. I will use a triple stretch stitch. Then I trim off the excess fabrics. Added darts at the back just to cinch in that extra fabric. I also remove about 1 inch from the back to prevent the neckline from gaping because this fabric is very stretchy. Then I measure the neckline. This is the calculation. I will multiply it by 0.85 and that is going to be the length of the neckband. I got this piece from a skirt that I was also going to upcycle, so this is a perfect use for it. Quarter the neckline and the neckband, so it will be so much easier to match them up later on. It also ensures that we will have an evenly distributed neckband. I added ruching at the side because the seam was twisted, and I am stitching it on the seams only and I'm stretching the elastic as I sew. The mannequin is not doing this dress justice. This dress looks amazing when I tried it on. Oh my goodness. I will rate this dress 8 out of 10. What do you think? Thanks so much for being here, and if you have any question about the sewing project today, feel free to leave them in the comments down below.